Hello beautiful artists. Time to take action and thrive with our art. Starving artists no more. Do what makes your heart sing. My community group, Creative Artists Spiritual Training is seeking to guide you. 1. Being who you really are. Many of us older women and men have lost our art, or put it into our day jobs and even gone hungry, homeless and hopeless because of losing what we were truly passionate about. 2. Your story. Us in our 50s, 60 seconds or more, and even our younger people are believing passion and dreams are useless. We are too old or too late. Even you may feel you had to find success as a child in our competitive fields. 3. Time to revise and create ourselves. With C.A.S.T, I'll guide, coach and teach us to make the new normal. Thriving, passionate artists. Let's take action and embrace our inner artist. Be she an authentic actor, sensational singer, well-versed writer, happy healer, generous gemstone guru, gardening god or goddess, creative cook or chef and/or fantastic fine artist to talented tailor. Come learn, do and show the Neville Goddard way. His techniques have proven true and we can enter into being abundant, alive and joyful. Join today. https://www.skool.com/angelora-productions-7767/about